Good afternoon, good people. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to give you the full detail about the presidential helicopter crash as Mnangagwa celebrates his birthday. So a presidential helicopter scheduled to take President Emmerson Mnangagwa back to Harare from Bikita, where he had proceeded after officiating at the launch of Monomtapa Day, which embodies his own birthday that he celebrated yesterday at Great Zimbabwe Monuments, crashed soon after the takeoff at Masvingo Airport. Mnangagwa, who was born in Rishavane on the 15th of September 1942, which means he turned 82 yesterday, was in Masvingo for his birthday celebration and the launch of the Monomtapa Day that will become a national event in his honor. The airport, which usually caters for small chartered and military aircraft, is located 3 kilometers east of the town. The helicopter only had crew members. One was reportedly injured. There were no casualties. The vice presidents were not in the helicopter as reported by some social media outlets. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga did not even attend Mnangagwa's birthday event and celebrations at the launch of Monomtapa Day at Great Zimbabwe. Located 30 kilometers southeast of Masvingo town, Vice President Kembo had attended but was also not in the helicopter. A source told the news, the current affairs news, that the helicopter was supposed to take off at Masvingo Airport late yesterday afternoon and go to Bikita to fetch the president back to Harare. There were actually 2 helicopters. Upon takeoff, the presidential helicopter suddenly developed a technical failure and crashed to the ground. With big impact, there were 3 crew members and 1 was injured. There were no fatalities. Mnangagwa had reportedly gone for a visit in Bikita, where his father, Mafidi, is buried. Bikita is Mnangagwa's original home before they moved to Mapanzure area in Rishavane. However, there are several versions of where Mnangagwa is originally from. This is just one of them. In August 2021, Mnangagwa's presidential helicopter was dramatically forced into an emergency landing over 60 kilometers southwest of Harare due to technical failures. The chopper, which was flying from Mnangagwa's Prickable farm in Sherwood, Kwekwe, landed at farm owned by a Minister of Finance official. That forced a security overhaul. A journalist who broke the story was hounded out of his home at the time by state security agents, while his inside sources were flushed out and punished by the same state security service. An attempt to get comment from Mnangagwa's media and communication team was unsuccessful last night. So those kuitika guys, havasi kutaura kuti problem chii kunongozi technical failures, but ndege iyi yakatombomira futi mufamu refinance minister vachibva kukwekwe kufamu kwapresident, ende vanhu vakabudisa nyaya idzodzo vakateverwa 1-1 vese vakakiwa zvakaipa, ende that's what's going on. So we really don't know kuti tingati kusetana here kuri kuitika, kuti pane hwana roda kudonedzwa kana kuti, but chokwadi tese tinozivawo futi kuti ndege idzi ndo dzaingoshandiswa futi naMugabe. Vakomana havasi kureplace ndege izvi zvakudhara, saka zviri kunetsa. That's why uchiona chero iziti rano iraka ndakanganwa zvangu, but yakangodonawo so ikanzi mapatsi haachawanikwi ndedzakudhara. So ndo zviri kunetsa. Tell us what you think about this in the comment section. See you on the next one. Bye bye.